Small acts of kindness, they can go a long way, can't they? Especially after the devastation Hurricane Irma left behind. A local Boy Scout troop went above and beyond today to help neighbors in need. The Now's Alana Quillen reports from Palm Beach Gardens.
Shannon, over 20 Boy Scouts came together for an elderly couple in need after Hurricane Irma took down huge trees in their backyard. Boy Scouts from Troop 132 chopped up several downed trees and limbs from Bernie Goldman's backyard. The 90-year-old veteran and his disabled wife just celebrated their 70th anniversary. One of the fallen trees nearly took out their bedroom, but luckily there's no damage to the home. It took the Scouts less than 2 hours to completely clear out the yard. A former Boy Scout himself in the 1930s, Goldman says he's grateful for the help from the Scouts.
Can't even mention how I feel about it, and I'm so taken away. It's just been wonderful. These guys all work so hard and so fast.
It's very important that we all learn that we're not the center of the universe, and doing something for somebody else, that means a lot. And so for these guys at this generation to do something for the greatest generation, that's pretty special.
Now tomorrow, these local Scouts will be up at their Camp Tanakita in Jupiter doing some cleanup, which also sustained some damage from Hurricane Irma. Reporting in Palm Beach Gardens, I'm Alana Quillen for the Now South Florida.
Great story, Alana. Thank you.